The 2013 Porsche 911 by Caractere Exclusive. European auto tuners aren't usually present in mass in a show like SEMA, but Belgian tuner Caractere Exclusive is not only making the exception, they actually went to Las Vegas to present their latest aerodynamic kit for the new Porsche 911. Built from PU rim, Caractere Exclusive's body kit features a number of new components, highlighted by a new front bumper with integrated air intakes and air outlets. The kit also includes a new set of side skirts with their own integrated cool air intakes and air outlets, a new rear spoiler, and a rear wing that comes with an integrated third brake light and air intake. A new sport exhaust system with valve control and dual-round tailpipes was also installed to the Porsche, improving its sound and unleashing its full-throttle fury for all to hear. From there, Caractere Exclusive fitted it with a set of either 20 or 21-inch 3-piece forged wheels. These wheels not only enhance the car's look but they also improve its overall handling and driving characteristics by putting more rubber to the road.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.